Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the chip is intact and the terminal accepts EMV cards. This prevents skipped reads. Once done, orient the chip end first and insert it fully into the bottom slot. Do not swipe. You hold the card steady. Terminals often prompt you to wait for processing. Make sure to keep your finger clear of the slot and watch the screen for prompts like PIN or confirm amount. This small discipline reduces read errors and speeds the payment. Once the chip is seated, follow the terminal prompts. It may ask debit or credit. Choose debit for PIN or credit for signature. Then enter your PIN securely. Shield the keypad with one hand and enter digits with the other. Make sure the amount displayed matches your purchase before approving. After you confirm, wait for authorization. The terminal communicates with the bank and may take a few seconds. If asked, remove the card only after the screen instructs. You finish by removing the card when prompted and taking your receipt if you want a record. If the chip read fails, reinsert once slowly. Make sure the chip contacts are clean. If it still fails, ask the cashier to use contactless, swipe backup, or another terminal. Make sure to report persistent read errors or suspected tampering to your bank immediately so they can block the card and issue a replacement. This protects your funds and prevents fraud.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.